Healthy salmon populations support the ecosystem in general. So, you know, the Cowichan has a fairly significant chum run. We really need that run to be productive to make all the food chain in the river work.
They're keystone species in terms of the overall health of the watersheds, which have been salmon-bearing important watersheds since time immemorial.
10 years ago we saw some really low populations. Now, in the past kind of 5 years or so, we've started to see an increase in population. The work that everybody's been doing is paying off.
We've been working with Pacific Salmon Foundation for more than 10 years now. It's so important for us to have this partnership because that enables us to do work with young people learning about and doing riparian restoration.
It's been exciting having an action-oriented, hands-on projects that youth can go out and actually feel the earth. They can be there, they can be planting, they can have tangible examples of how climate change and how all these bigger threats are affecting our salmon populations, specifically in the Cowichan and Cook Island.
What the youth get to do is they get to really get their hands on doing work in nature.
Our hope, our future rests on the children that are going through school right now and their children. And when they're grown adults, they can come through and hopefully, they will be able to help us contribute to restoration of this whole watershed and carry on our work.